Today we're going behind the scenes with the brand new Canon EOS R6 V. First, we're gonna show you a little bit of test footage, and then we're gonna talk all about this new camera.
Let's get it.
I thought that flip was pretty cool.
That was sick.
Enjoy.
So recently I got the incredible opportunity to test out this brand new camera and make a short film out in Utah. And I want to talk about why this setup is so perfect for what I do as a run and gun travel filmmaker.
What's up guys, my name is Sam Newton, Canon Collab Ambassador, and we are here to talk about a very exciting release from Canon. The brand new Canon EOS R6 V and the brand new 20 to 50 millimeter f4L ISUSM PZ lens. Now right out of the box, this camera has 3x2 open gate in 7K. I'm able to capture every single shot that I need. I can reframe it for vertical or horizontal images. This camera has IBIS, which I know is something I've wanted for a very long time, which means I'm now able to use my VCM prime lenses handheld, and with the built-in image stabilization, I am able to get all the shots I need without any kind of jitters. As a travel filmmaker, to be able to have something like this that I can throw in my bag, pick up when I need to, and I know I can quickly get a shot without rigging it up is so cool to me. And I think now with the addition of IBIS in this camera, that really elevates a lot of the different shots that I'm able to get as a run and gun travel cinematographer. It actually has two different threading options, one on the top now. So when you're shooting rollers, I can actually mount it to the car in two different places, which makes those mounted shots much more stabilized, and they turned out incredible. On top of all that, it has so many different cinema features packed into a camera this small. It has a fan built in on the side, so you do not have to worry about overheating. It has a ton of different customizable buttons to make sure your shooting workflow is as efficient as possible. On top of that, it has all the features you could want in a cinema camera. It has waveform, false color, zebras. It has a full-size HDMI port, and I know this is going to be one of my go-to setups. Let's talk about this brand new lens, the 20 to 50 millimeter f4L ISUSM PZ. The PZ actually stands for power zoom because with this camera and this lens combination, they've added a feature that is very new, which I'm gonna be honest, I was skeptical about at first, but I've ended up using it so much more than I would have expected, which is this power zoom rocker built into the camera and actually into the lens. So right here, you can actually see me zoom in and out. Now, on a lot of these cameras, they'll have the option to zoom in and out, but it's gonna be a digital zoom. So it's essentially digitally enhancing the image. This is optically zooming in and out. So it's actually taking you from 20 millimeters all the way to 50 millimeters, which makes my process switching between shots so much easier and so much quicker. The sun is setting right now. We only have a few more minutes left of sunlight. I'm gonna quickly zoom in, get this shot of her hand on the steering wheel. So when you're in these kind of run and gun situations where you know you only have a couple minutes of light left, which we definitely do, instead of just constantly switching my lenses, look at this. I can just back up, boom, get this wide, and I can just optically zoom in to the frame I need instantly, in seconds. So ready, we're gonna run that scene one more time. Once I got my hands on this, I used it so much more than I was expecting. I was able to get shots that were just very interesting. And as a filmmaker, anytime you have a tool that can just allow you to be more creative, that's exciting. Now, all the shots you're looking at right now were actually shot on both this lens and this camera setup. And when you combine them, again, it is unbelievably light. You're able to put it into places you can't put bigger cinema cameras. You're able to just kind of throw it around with the IBIS. I can run and gun, handheld, get all of the shots I need, especially when I'm in a crunch and I have that 20 to 50 millimeter focal range. That is very exciting. And I absolutely fell in love with this camera. So if you're interested in picking up an extremely capable camera and lens combination that has open gate RAW, that has in-body image stabilization, C-Log 2, waveform, zebras, so many jam-packed features, I would highly suggest you checked out the brand new Canon EOS R6 V and the brand new Canon 20 to 50 millimeter f4L ISUSM PZ lens. As always, my name is Sam Newton. I hope you had a good time with me today. Whether or not you end up getting this camera and this lens set up, all that truly matters is that you get out in the world and go make something. See you next time. Peace.